Top 6 Spring Essentials 2022. Let's get right into the video. Before we start, guys, drop a comment below. Let me know what is your number one must-have, most used spring essential. Let me hear it. Number one essential on my list is sunglasses. Spring is here, it's getting warmer out, the days are longer, which means you're gonna be spending more time outside. Not only are sunglasses such an easy way for you to accessorize your fit, make you look more put together and more stylish, but obviously they protect your eyes at the same time. Essential number 2 is a good hoodie. Your favorite hoodie, your go-to hoodie. You know, it's spring, so there's still gonna be those days or nights where it gets cool. You're gonna wanna have a go-to hoodie that you can wear with everything, that you keep in your car if it gets a bit chilly later in the day or whatever the case may be. This is my current favorite. It's by Cole Buxton. Review coming soon. I'll link it below so you guys can check it out. Essential item number 3 is light denim jeans. Spring is here, which means you're gonna be wearing a lot more white. You know, at least for me, I'm always wearing white sneakers, white t-shirts, you know, lighter clothing. And it's a lot easier to pair that stuff with light denim jeans. With spring here, you're gonna be wearing less and less clothing as time goes on. So you want the pieces that are on your body to be more of statement pieces. You know, maybe get jeans with a little bit of distressing in them, a little bit of a fade, different things like that, that are just gonna make your outfit more interesting and less boring. Essential number 4, jewelry. You know, I'm not a huge jewelry guy. I typically keep it pretty simple. But again, with spring and summer coming up, you're gonna be wearing less and less layers. Typically, we're layering up to show your style and your fashion sense, but with spring and summer, it's too hot to do that. You know your style best, so whether it's a bracelet, a necklace, a watch, some rings, see what works for you, implement it into your more basic fits for a better pop. Essential number 5 is flannels. Flannels are such a great way to express yourself with, you know, color, patterns. Again, in the summertime, we're typically wearing more t-shirts or just a simple long sleeve. We're not typically layering up too much. So a flannel is a great way to add to that. You know, it's nice and light. If you don't want to wear it on because it's too hot, you can tie it around your waist. You can even tie it around your shoulders for a really cool look. I don't like riding trends, and my goal is always to make fashion as easy as possible. And I truly think that flannels are something you can wear spring, summer, fall, and winter. Get the right color, get the right fit, and you know, it'll last you a very long time. Essential number 6, and my personal favorite, if you watch the channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of white shoes. You know, I always have white shoes on my feet, but especially come spring, summertime, I always have a fresh pair of white shoes on my feet. So if you don't have a pair yet, this is the perfect time to go out and get them. If you're somebody who's thinking about getting white shoes, go do it. Whether it's canvas, leather, there's so many good options. I truly believe come spring, summer, there's nothing like a fresh pair of white shoes with some nice light denim jeans, clean white t-shirt, maybe a light jacket if it's cool out, you know, a couple accessories, you're gonna be looking good. So guys, that's all I've got for you today. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as always, please take a second to leave a like. Drop a comment, let me know what was your favorite and what is your personal favorite essential item for the spring and upcoming summer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos coming out on the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.